everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Request to be in your live video. Okay. I'm not doing any live, as in not the video sharing. Yeah. Today. So today, welcome everybody. We're going to be doing question answers. So we thought that it will be a great idea to take a topic 1 week, to take live questions and answers 1 week, and to introduce you to success stories of how people are doing it. Yeah, so that we'll have a balance of all. So today we'll be talking about questions and answers very, very quickly. Sridhar, hello Rajni, hi. Sarita Soni, hello ma'am, hi everybody. Shoot your questions quickly. Next half an hour I'm only going to take your questions and answers. Yeah. Questions. Hello Madam Ji, Hanji, hello Ji. Child hitting everyone. What exercise require or any exercise suggestions? Hira words. So if they want something, they're just hitting, and everybody's like, don't do this, or they're like, oh, don't, what do you want? Okay, you want toffee. So in a way we are rewarding the child, and they are not feeling the need to learn how to talk because their work is happening because of hitting. Now what you do here is antecedent behavior consequence. I'll go very fast because I'll try to take as many questions as I can. So antecedent behavior consequence, what that means, what happened immediately before the child hit, that's called antecedent. Behavior is the child started hitting. Consequence, what did happen, what happened next. So suppose the child wanted a toffee. Okay, so he started hitting and he looked at toffee and he's hitting. So the parent realizes, oh, he wants the toffee. So parent says, okay, no hitting, wait, you want toffee, I will give you. So the child learned, if I need toffee, I have to hit. And next time, the child will hit because he wants a toffee. Then it becomes a rigid pattern because the consequence was reward. The child got what he wanted by hitting. Okay. Now, how to break the hitting habit? When you've understood antecedent like this. So, you see him doing that, you remove it. Yeah. And structure the environment, which means take the hand, put it in the pocket or something. Okay. Or do it like this, hold it like this. Okay. No finger going in the mouth. No. Then get his hands busy. Have a visual schedule. Okay. Say, we do this. So he's busy. And every time unknowingly, if his hand is going towards the mouth, you take the hand down. Say, no, that's not what we do. We are not going to do this. I am sorry. No, we will not do this. Like this. Okay. So, like this. बच्चे को सोशलाइज कैसे सिखाएं? अनुराधा जादव. सोशलाइज मतलब कैसे सिखाना है? जैसे सब सिखाओगे वैसे ये भी सिखाओगे. So you will take the child to another child, but first you will take the child to an adult. Okay. So you will take the child to an adult and you will say, आंटी को हेलो करो. And if you take the child to a kid, then you will say, मारेंगे नहीं, हेलो करो. Hello, very good. After a couple of days, you will say, हेलो करो, दादी को हेलो करो, नमस्ते करो, मार नहीं सकते, हेलो करो. And then मम्मी याद नहीं कराएगी. So like this. So the child is not listening to you. You are holding the child's hand and you are doing this. कि hello करो, नमस्ते करो. Okay, like this. You will not give up on the kid thinking ये तो सुनता ही नहीं है. वो इधर उधर देख रहा है, ऐसे कर रहा है. अब ऐसे करेंगे, बोलेंगे इधर देखो, नमस्ते करो, ऐसे करो, हेलो, शेक हैंड करो, हाथ पकड़ो, शेक हैंड करो. So like this you are going to teach the child how to shake hands, how to do namaste, how to whatever you want. Okay. Same way the person will have to ask, like dadi, nani, whoever, or anybody. So that person will have to ask, how are you? So the child will look here, there. You say, bolo, I am fine. Come on beta, bolo. So repeated practice every day. We will do this. As we do this, the child will learn that hello, quiet please. As we learn, as the child, every day you do this, the child will learn कि कोई आता है तो हेलो करते हैं, या किसी को मिलते हैं तो हेलो करते हैं, नमस्ते करते हैं, इस तरीके से उसको आदत से वो सीख जाएगा। फिर धीरे धीरे बाद में खेलना भी सिखाएंगे, बातें करना भी सिखाएंगे। ओके ओके। हाइपर है, नो सिटिंग, नो सोशल स्पीच भी कम है। तो अगर आपका बच्चा हाइपर है, वो क्यों है? क्योंकि वो कहीं पर भी बिजी नहीं है। हम एक अच्छा स्कूल क्यों ढूंढते हैं बताइए? बोलते किसी अच्छे स्कूल में एडमिशन नहीं, है ना, बहुत चक्कर लगाते हैं। और जो असल में स्कूल अच्छा होता है उसमें इतनी लंबी वेटिंग लिस्ट होती है कि 2 साल नंबर नहीं आना होता। क्यों होती है? क्योंकि सबको पता होता है कि ये स्कूल अच्छा है। अच्छे की डेफिनेशन क्या है? अच्छे की डेफिनेशन है स्ट्रक्चर, है ना। अब आप बोलेंगे कि हाइपर का जवाब देते देते आप स्कूल पे कहाँ पहुँच गए? यही जवाब है। बच्चा स्कूल में हाइपर क्यों नहीं होता? स्ट्रक्चर। इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, बच्चे के दिमाग को बिजी कर रखा है उन्होंने, है ना। अब नहीं है अगर मेरे पास इस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर या इस तरीके का स्कूल कि आफ्टर वन एक्टिविटी द अदर, व्हाट स्टॉप्स मी फ्रॉम मेकिंग इट? या सो यू मेक विजुअल शेड्यूल से वी वेक अप, वी ब्रश टीथ, we take bath, everything 1 2 3 4. So you're dealing everything you are dealing with. You're saying you do this, 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 and finally you're saying now we do academics like math, English. There will be some more activities now. Okay, for people who are a part of my community here, a lot of you who are already part of my community, the KYCP family, I want you to know that I'm going to have a special section in this boot camp that happens 7th and 8th, where I will show you so many things of the leisure time management, how you can keep your child busy and get rid of hyperactivity. I've ordered tons of material to show you because those were really good toys, and I'll give you an idea of how you can, keep your child busy. Great ideas, new thing about leisure time management. Yeah, this is for all of you who are already part of my community, because boot camp is an internal thingy. Yeah, because I know a lot of you who attend here are already part of my community, so I thought I'll let you also know. Make sure this boot camp you don't miss. Yeah, for outsiders, please understand, the more you are structured, the more you know how to handle your child's day well, the less you will need medicines to get your child to be properly sitting, grounded and not hyper. Okay, that's a given. If you want your child to be not hyper, you have to ensure that your child's day is busy, and so you need to have a blast of activities. Okay, iske baad ye, iske baad ye, and you have to keep renewing. That's why for my internal people I'm telling you that if you have run short of ideas from previous times that I've told you, I'll add more ideas this time. Okay, so that you keep on renewing. Okay, the ideas, more ideas, you keep the child busy and you keep teaching them skills, they will be less hyper. Okay, you can't leave an autistic child, at least in the earlier years, all to themselves, that they will sit, they will enjoy a TV show. Life doesn't work like that with autism. It doesn't. Yeah. Okay. चश्मा. हाँ, स्पीच भी कम है क्योंकि आप उसको बैठा के स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बना रहे हैं, तो स्पीच तो कम रहनी ही है. स्पीच तो कम रहनी ही है क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. स्ट्रक्चर होता तो उसमें आप स्पीच का भी रखते, उसमें आप पहले नीड बेस्ड टॉकिंग सिखाते, फिर पिरामिड सिखाते. वो सारे सिस्टम्स हैं जो हम अपने बूट कैंप्स में और अपने KYCP प्रोग्राम्स में करते हैं. इफ़ देयर इज़ एनीबडी हु इज़ इंटरेस्टेड टू नो दिस साइंटिफिक सिस्टम्स एंड स्ट्रक्चर्स, टाइप I, so we can send you the link for the next master class so that you can be a part of the community, because that's where real action happens. See guys, I'm doing this every week, half an hour. I'm trying to answer all your questions. But if you want concrete where I can show and tell, then half an hour is not enough, right? So boot camp is something that happens 9:30 to 5:30. 2 days, extensive training where I'm showing things, I'm doing things, and you're taking notes and you're learning. So all of that helps. Yeah. And otherwise also the community is there where you learn strategies through the videos and all of that. So in case you are serious about this and you want to learn and take it in your hands, you have to type I, so my team can give you the link to the coming masterclass. Okay, yeah. Then hyperactivity and ventilation windows, हाइपरएक्टिव एंड वेंटिलेशन विंडोज देखता है, क्लॉक देखता है. हाँ, इसका एक ही आंसर है, reindeer.428079. सेम थिंग, आपके पास स्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं है, आपके पास एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं है, मटेरियल्स नहीं है. अब इसके बाद क्या कराऊँ, अब इसके बाद क्या कराऊँ. अब वो वेला बैठा है. अब नॉन फंक्शनल रिजिड पैटर्न क्यों हो जाता है ये किसी को नहीं पता ऑटिज्म में. आपका बच्चा वेंटिलेटर देख रहा है और एक का बच्चा स्विच ऑन ऑफ करेगा और एक का बच्चा कोई और नई चीज़ करेगा. ये करते ही रहेंगे क्योंकि उनको करने को कुछ नहीं है. उन्होंने अपने मन के हिसाब से दे फिगर्ड आउट व्हाट दे वांट टू डू एंड दे आर just doing it. Now another kid might just like to hold this and do this, yeah, the entire day, because they don't know what next to do, and they don't know because their parents don't know what next to do, and parents don't know because you don't have any structure in place. That's important. As many OTs and as many therapists you want to go to and spend your entire life's earnings on that, unless you have a structure back home कि ये करेगा इसके बाद ये करेगा इसके बाद ये करेगा, you cannot delegate your child's parenting to an outsider. Yeah, and autistic kids parenting happens in this way. It has to be very structured. So just sharing this with you, my 21-year-old, now he's 22, he was 21, and there was a phase when his graduation was over and he didn't have a job. Oh my God. He didn't have any behaviors, okay? His graduation was over. When there was time for interviews, his leg broke. Yeah, his ankle broke in 2024. And that happened one day before Holi. And that was March. And I think his interviews were on and June where the interviews were over. So the entire interview session he could not attend in the college. And so he had no job. And I was very very terrified कि on the job placement नहीं हुआ है. He's a boy who's zero behaviors, full on speech, full on language, completely independent, travels from one place to another in the airplane doing Ola, and still I was worried because that's how sincere you have to be with autism. I thought if he stays at home until he gets a job, I don't know what behavior will come. I don't know what stimming will come. I don't know what can happen. Really, this is autism. I can't take a chance. So I put him on such a tight schedule. Now listen to this. 7:30, 7 o'clock he wakes up. Half an hour quick bath, 7:30 go learn driving lessons. Okay? This might seem like, oh my God, ऐसा भी autism होता है? हाँ होता है. 18 साल 19 साल काम किया तब होता है. हाँ, फिर भी नहीं छोड़ा कि स्ट्रक्चर नहीं छोड़ सकते बाबा. क्या पता क्या हो जाता है स्ट्रक्चर छोड़ने से, कैसे चांस लेंगे. तो 7 बजे उठो, 7:30 नहा करके ड्राइविंग क्लास चले जाओ. आधा घंटा ड्राइविंग क्लास का रहा, 8 बजे आप वापस आए, तुरंत से आपने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट किया, जो भी किया. 9 बजे मम्मी के ऑफिस में रिपोर्टिंग. अब मम्मी के ऑफिस में क्या करेगा, वो तो शेफ़ है. कोई बात नहीं, प्रेजेंटेशन बनाओ. हमें नहीं चाहिए प्रेजेंटेशन, लेकिन वो खाली नहीं बैठना चाहिए. सो रेखा को उसका इमीडिएट बॉस बना दिया. लेट होएगा ना तो इसको डांटोगी. तो रोज रोता है मतलब क्रिब मारता था, मेरे को प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाना, मेरे को बेकरी में होना है, मैं शेफ़ हूँ. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, जब तक जॉब नहीं मिलती हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तू करेगा. वो बोलती थी अच्छा अब ये डेटा पे प्रेजेंटेशन बना दे, अब ये कर, अब ये बता दे. पूरा दिन वहाँ पे काम करेगा. उससे कॉलिंग करवाते थे हम कि कॉलिंग कर. तो उसका पूरा दिन ऐसे फिक्स करके रखा था. मैं ऑफिस पहुंची हूँ कि नहीं पहुंची हूँ, उसका इमीडिएट सुपरवाइज़र रेखा थी हमारी. तो रेखा उसको बोलती थी लेट कैसे हो गया, चल ये बैठ, ये काम कर, ये इधर पूरा निकाल. क्यों, उसका दिन बिजी रखना है. नहीं तो मैं रेखा को पकड़ लूँगी कि कैसे वो खाली कैसे है. फिर 12 बजे पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट क्लास ऑनलाइन, वहाँ ख़त्म कर. फिर ख़त्म करके तुरंत 1 घंटे की क्लास, 1 बजे से 1:30 बजे खाना खा, 1:30 बजे लोकल बस पकड़. अपनी मेरी एक फ्रेंड के पास उसको इंटर्नशिप लगाया था कैफ़े में, बरिस्ता. तो वहाँ पे तू कॉफ़ी बनाएगा, 6 बजे तू घर आएगा, 6 बजे घर आकर के थोड़ा रेस्ट किया, 6:30 बजे जिम जाएगा, 6:30 से 7:30 वापस आएगा, अब अपना न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ेगा, सुबह टाइम नहीं था, उसके बाद टीवी देखेगा, 8:30-9 बजे खाना खाएगा और फिर सो जाएगा। 1 मिनट खाली नहीं था। और जय की ज़िंदगी मैंने ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्ड रखी है ever since he was 6 years of age. For his age, for his life, for his skills. I do not know if he would have been spoiled without it at age 21, but I did not take a chance. And that's what I'm telling you. You cannot take chances with autism. It took him 4 months. September end he got a job. October he got a job in Delhi. So he moved. Now his life is structured. He has to wake up, he has to get ready, he has to do his bike, he has to go to his office, his hotel, he has to make his pastries, whatever he does. Then he has to come back again, found a gym, he comes back, he does his whatever, cleaning the room, mopping and all that he has to do himself. Yeah. Now when he got sick, I said okay, hire somebody to do it. But before that he was doing it himself, wash the utensils, do that. So now he will for some time read a newspaper, have a cup of tea, then go to the gym, come back, eat food, sleep. So it's still structured. You cannot leave an autistic child alone. What I'm trying to tell you is, Jay has reached this stage because his life has been structured ever since he was doing and this. It doesn't feel like he used to do this now, but if you meet his teachers from that time, they will tell you this is how he was. He was rolling on the floor and we would pick him up and we had a structure in school, structure at home, play also structure, everything structure, so that no wrong behaviors of this or this or this, it doesn't have a place. Right now also Jay is stimming, yeah, but he's doing the right stim. And what is the right stim? Wake up in time, brush your teeth, do this, take a bath, book your Ola. That is also stim, na? Autistic brain will work only in stims. That's how it will work, right? You have to put the right stims there so that it is helping the child instead of harming. And if you want to do that, you have to learn. Without learning, I was a trained mother, yeah, a trained special educator, and that is what I tell parents. आप थेरेपी लेके जाओ, 1000 जाओ, अगर आपके घर पे स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होना, क्योंकि आप कितने स्टिम रोकोगे, एक छुड़ाओगे दूसरा पकड़ेगा. लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स से इतना टाइम कहाँ से आएगा, मुझे क्या पता कहाँ से आएगा यार, बच्चा तुम्हारा है. अगर तुम्हारे बच्चे के लिए तुम प्रायोरिटीज़ नहीं शिफ्ट कर सकते, तुम टाइम नहीं, हम तो वर्किंग है, तो मैं क्या करूँ, मैं भी वर्किंग ही थी. इट्स नॉट अबाउट अपैथी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू एज अ पर्सन. आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक बिरयानी, यू विल रिक्वायर राइस. यू कैन नॉट कम बैक एंड टेल मी आई डोंट हैव राइस बट आई नीड बिरयानी. इट डजंट वर्क दैट वेज. You have to have the time, the knowledge, the understanding to create the structure and follow through, because your child was born with autism. It's very similar to saying this child is born with juvenile diabetes. You have to learn how to give insulin injection. The sooner you understand, the better it is for you. Because simply thinking every child eats sugar and it is fine, my child will also eat sugar, and he will die or go blind because his body is that ways, no? So how can we help the child? By understanding these simple things. How many of you understood what I just said? How many of you understood? Give me a thumbs up, give me whichever way you will do that, maybe a heart or a thumbs up, so I know that you understood the importance of structure. आपके जितने तकलीफ आप झेल रहे हो, ये करने लगता है जी, वो करने लगता है जी, दौड़ने लगता है जी, चीखने लगता है जी, सब चीज का एक ही आंसर है, स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है आपके बच्चे के लाइफ में. जिधर आपने स्ट्रक्चर डाला वो करने लग जाएगा. क्यों बोलते हैं कि ऑटिस्टिक से ज्यादा सिंसियर कोई नहीं होता. हाँ, कोई लेट हो जाए वो लेट नहीं होता, वो स्टिम कर रहा है. सुबह 7 बजे पहुंचना है शिफ्ट पे तो पहुंच जाएगा, वो स्टिम है उसका, पर ये स्टिम उसके फायदे का है, और ऐसे खड़े होकर स्टिम करना उसके नुकसान का है, उतना ही है ना? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. I don't see any more questions. My son speaks without any reason or any situation. Mostly he speaks with animal land. Animal land or animated. He put his hand on his chin area and tap on his chin. Please suggest some exercise. अरे आप लोग exercise. There is no exercise. Yeah. Why are you so hung up everybody on autism? Means give some exercise, some compression, some some wo. You have to change the way of the child's life. Now he's speaking not without reason. Again, I'll give you another example. I had this student way back in 2008. He would keep on repeating some or the other dialogue. Okay, I'm not a very crazy TV fan, but I know that there was some show that used to come that time that was Vedahi, because he would continue to speak Vedahi and then he would say some dialogue. 2008. Okay, so one day, and we used to think he talks nonsense. Okay, listen to this, it's very interesting. One day he came and tears were rolling down his eyes and he says, "Ma, mujhe chhod ke mat jana, ma," and tears rolling down. And it was a scene from the film Diwar, where Amitabh Bachchan's mother was dying, and maybe Amitabh Bachchan or Rishi Kapoor were saying that dialogue, something. So my teacher, co-teacher and my maid in the class, they started laughing. I said, "Don't laugh, no," because I somewhere felt intuitively something is wrong, because dialogue के साथ आंसू क्यों आएगा? कुछ तो भी in place नहीं है. And then I called up the father. I said, क्या हुआ है? So the father said, past 3-4 days, his mother is in the ICU. And he is operating from Bua's place, okay, which is closer to school, because father has to take care of the mother. She had an asthma attack. She was taken in the ambulance, okay. He saw his mother being taken on the stretcher. He doesn't know if she is alive. He doesn't know what happened. He doesn't know when she will come back. He's at Bua's place ever since then. He was communicating with us, trying to tell us what he was feeling. That maybe his mother was dying, or she died, or what happened. But that poor child did not have the words to say it. Our children never talk nonsense. Please understand. That day I realized my failure as a teacher way back in 2008. That I knew nothing, because I could not make the child talk the right words, and I started more and more research, and that's where I tell you the pyramid is very important. What, who, where, when, why, how. Because now I have strategies. If I had that kid now, I would have ensured that next 3 months this child is telling me like it is, मेरी मम्मा हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. But that time I didn't have the knowledge and the skills. So if your child is talking without any reason, we have to find out. And I cannot answer this right now because I don't know what is he talking, what is the context, how do I even make a good guess of what he's talking, right? You get it? But it's not out of context, it's not nonsense, there is something behind it. The child doesn't have enough language skills to put one word behind the other to be able to say what he wants to tell you, okay? And as parents and educators, it is our job and our duty to find out. And how we can do that? By learning the skills. The basic language pyramid, what it does, it teaches the parent how to teach what statements, what is this, what happened, okay? Then the who statements, okay? Who hit me, who got hit, who harmed, who ate food, who fell down. So if Anshuman would have known that at that time, yeah, I'm sorry, I just named the kid mistakenly, but anyway, if he would have known it at that time, he would have said, na, mummy theek nahi thi, mummy bimar ho gayi. So who, what happened, bimar, who, mummy. So I didn't know that this was the way to teach him. So I didn't teach him at that time. I was too young, too naive. I was learning, experimenting. So if your child is talking in animal sounds or animated language or doing some describing some scenario. He's trying to communicate, trying to tell you something which has its clues somewhere, but because what, who, where, when, why and how are not in place and we haven't taught it to him, he's just doing his best trying to communicate. I hope Dhara you understood, yeah, कि यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है. और जो चिन्ह वाला बोल रहे हो वो पैटर्न है, रिजिड पैटर्न है, उसका मैंने पहले बहुत अच्छे से आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. रिजिड पैटर्न तभी जाएगा जब हम स्ट्रक्चर रखेंगे, और स्ट्रक्चर रखोगे तो लैंग्वेज सिखा पाओगे, क्योंकि उसमें एक स्लॉट लैंग्वेज का भी होगा. तो बैठा करके पढ़ाओगे कि चल बेटा अभी कर, अब ये कर, अब ये कर. 2 से 3 महीने में शक्ल डिफरेंट निकल आएगी. स्टिमिंग बंद हो जाएगी, रिजिड पैटर्न खत्म हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि दूसरे रिजिड पैटर्न चल रहे हैं. नहाना है, कपड़े पहनना है, ब्रश करना है, यहाँ से वहाँ फुदक नहीं सकते, टाइम ही नहीं है. समझ रहे हो? तो कोई एक्सरसाइजेज नहीं चाहिए होती हैं इनके लिए. एक्सरसाइज क्या करेगी? ओटी के यहाँ ले जा करके ऐसे 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 बॉल पिक करना, ऐसे वो कोई कंप्रेशन देना, वो क्या करेगा भाई? मैं मना नहीं कर रही, ओटी बुरे लोग नहीं है. ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी इज नॉट बैड, बट when a child is doing everything right at a therapist and not doing anything right with the parent, isn't that indicating something? It is indicating that the lag is at the end of the parent. Therapist के पास में पूरा structure है, उसको पता है यहाँ जाएंगे तो पहले ये करेंगे, फिर ये वॉक करेंगे, एनिमल वॉक करेंगे, फिर ये बायलेटरल ये करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद वेस्टिब्यूलर एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे. तो वो करता है ना. कहाँ पर स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, तकलीफ कहाँ है? ये तो वही बात हो गई कि भाई दवाई तू खा ले, बुखार मेरा उतर जाए. ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओटी ने अपना काम कर दिया, उसने दवाई खिला दी, बच्चा उधर बुखार नहीं चढ़ाता है, चढ़ाता तुम्हारे पास. तुमको सीखना पड़ेगा. Got it guys? Yeah. With this we reach the end of today's live. I hope I was of value to a few of you. If you are interested and serious about learning, about taking your child's life seriously, yeah, type I and my team will send you the link to the next masterclass. This is what a mother can tell you more than a therapist. Yeah, I'm a therapist and a mother. Don't mind my dog. But a mother can tell you, my child is successful because, as a therapist, I'm saying this, I had the best parent support. Yeah, as a therapist, my child's therapist is saying this, that I, therapist, had the best parent support because I was supported 100% by the child's mother. And together as a team, we took it forward. Because my child's mother is me and therapist is me. Yeah? So in no case the child's therapist was more than the mother. Both of their knowledge was the same. So what happened outside is what happened back home. That's when the circuit is complete. Yeah? Alright. See you guys another time and see you at the masterclass. Bye.